I'm going to help you learn how to play Jingle Bells on the guitar. Don't worry, this is an easy version for beginners that focuses on just the melody. Hey, I'm Derek at 5 Minute Music, and if this is your first time seeing one of my videos and you're looking for guitar song tutorials, maybe some good guitar gear, or just some guitar lessons, you can start right now by clicking subscribe and hitting the bell so you don't miss a thing. Now, I'm going to put up a chart for you up here for all the notes you need to play Jingle Bells. And you're going to notice all of them are really close together. They're all on the first 3 frets except for the high A, and they're all on the first 3 strings, the thin E, B, and G strings. So they're all right there. So let's start with the first part of the chorus, the part Jingle Bells. And so this is how it goes. It goes like this. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. You only need a few notes to play it. It's the open E, 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 G, C, D, E. That's it. Let's go a little slower. Let's do it again. E, E, E. It's open E, 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 3rd fret, G, 1st fret, C on the B string, D, E. Last time. E, 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 G, C, D, E. So there you go. That's all the notes for the first part of the chorus. Now, the next part goes like this. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, few more notes there. F, 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 open E, 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 D, D, E, D, up to G. Let's do that again. That's a lot of notes. F, 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 E, 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 D, D, E, D, up to 3rd fret, G. Good. Now, I tell you what I can also do. If you want, down below in the description, I will put a link to click on it. Just enter your email, and I can give you a printout of these notes and the lyrics. That might help you out. So if you like that, just go down there in the description and check that out. Now, after we do, oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, if you need help, just rewind the video and watch that part again. But if you're ready, now we go back and we just play the first part again. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. It's exactly like what you just learned. Now, if you're good with that, we go to the last part of the chorus. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now let's break that down a bit. It's F, just like the last time you did Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Now I'll give you the letters. F, 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 E, 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 E. Now this is the different part. G, G, F, D, C. And that's it. Now if you put it all together, here's the chorus of Jingle Bells. E, 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 G, C, D, E. Next part. F, 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 E, 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 D, D, E, D. G, back to the first part. E, 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 G, C, D, E. Now the last part. F, 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 E, 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 G, G, F, D, C. I hope you enjoyed learning the chorus to Jingle Bells. So if you would, go below, just click on subscribe, hit the bell, or if you're on Facebook, follow us, because I've got another video coming soon on how to play the verse. Then you'll have the whole song just in time for the holidays. So thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you being here. God bless. Have a great day.